Cebu is the center of economic activity in the Visayas and practically the south of Manila. My business tackles the various industries, the various businesses. We talk of entrepreneurs and we talk of places like this opening of Ori Izakaya here in Nivel Hills, Lahug, Cebu City, as we resume with this show here on My TV. Ori Izakaya is owned by the Dichanco family. Their patriarch, Renato Oli Dichanco Jr., said that this latest venture came about because of their love for food.
I was telling my daughter here, with your new, how do you call this now, sa younger generation, you have a different approach, no? So I think it's about time for them to at least come through also with their new ideas, no, in the business, no? Kaya mabitan ng giingon nila, sometimes, itong mga ideas, muragitayan na, at least ang mga bata also coming in with new ideas, and at least we welcome these things, no? And with the millennials right now, I think there are more millennials compared to the old, how do you call this? No? So murag passing na lang ang among kuan eh. And as what Crystal was saying here, it all happened because the family likes to eat Japanese food. And jokingly, one time they said, why don't we just try opening, how do you call this, a Japanese food, no? So that's how it came about eventually, no? So I hope that at least this will bring something new.
Crystal Dichanco, the youngest of the 5 sisters and in charge of marketing, tells us more.
Ori Izakaya is a Japanese restaurant, and we actually aim to preserve the traditional taste of Japanese food, bringing in also a modern look and a modern concept that meshes with it as well. The family loves to eat Japanese food. That's really where it all starts. So a staple for our Sunday lunches is always to go to a Japanese restaurant. So no one argues because the parents are happy, kids are happy, and the grandparents are happy because there's a choice for everyone. And so it really came out of the blue where we were just thought, hey, why not start something of our own? You know, as we travel around and traveling is so popular these days, we kind of wanted to modernize and bring into Cebu westernized rolls and something more of like a fast food that's still quite affordable but also very tasty. So that's where it really came from, and we decided to name it Ori because we joke around with our dad, who is the founder of this restaurant, who really pulled everything together for us. His nickname is Oli, so we joke around with him. The Japanese pronunciation of his name is like Ori, and when we looked into the word more, not only is it the prefix for a lot of words like, say, origami, but it also really means a spiritual head. And that's who my father is to us also. He's the head of our family and the one who really pushed us to make this happen. So coming from a small concept izakaya store, it became something bigger where we wanted to cater to not just Cebuanos, but families and barcadas, and make it an indoor-outdoor feel so that you don't need to travel all the way to Japan to have a taste of it.
Crystal said that while there are many Japanese restaurants, they have something else to offer.
What makes us different is that I'd like to say that bringing in and focusing more on the rolls aspect of it, like I said, we preserve the traditional tastes, but also westernize it. So I think, of course, there are plenty of Japanese wonderful restaurants in Cebu as well, but we want to draw in, potentially bringing in a bar atmosphere, so bringing in a sake lounge and really offering those options like vegetarian options, vegan options, and for myself, I'm pescatarian. So I like that there's a lot of option for me as well.
Ori Izakaya opens for lunch from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and for dinner from 6 to 10 p.m.
Cebu, thank you so much for the great welcome. We're inviting you all to come join us at Ori Izakaya, located in Nivel Hills, Lahug, Cebu City.
At Ori, they offer a twist to the Japanese food that a lot of us love. That has been my business, and I'm your host, Nimrod Quinones.